The oil will produce that bitterness, and you don't want that too much. Yeah, so quickly. See, in the morning you can have glasses with lemonade. Yeah. Do you want ice on it, or you prefer just?
I would like
add our own ice
in the glass, but not in
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think so too. Yeah, just add them.
No ice. No ice for this.
Whatever you've got.
Ice. Yep.
So the rest you just blend them.
Okay, it's more quiet right now.
Yeah.
Just blending.
Yeah. I mean, can you imagine if you love lemon curd, love to make lemon curd. This is a great thing to
Lemon
have.
curd.
You know lemon curd?
Yes,
yeah.
I do.
Yes. So then you don't have to worry about double boiler and all the stuff, right?
Yeah.
You see the magical thing. See, this thing is beautiful. If you look at here, see all the stuff are floating on top. Try and figure out how to use a little screen. No, you just put this in right here. I think she had it all measure exactly how much water.
Wonderful!
The other way
I
around.
love this idea.
Yeah. So there's no mess. Like it's clean all the time.
They need to hand clean it or need to put the dishwasher safe?
Yes, dishwasher safe. You don't put the bottom part on it, because the bottom part is the electrical connection.
The blades you don't put in, but everything else.
Yeah.
does.
You can put the blades in there
The
too.
blades.
Yeah.
But
Blade, even the
See,
blade.
this is the only part you don't put. This whole
No,
part.
no,
The
no.
rest you can.
No, whole part.
Yeah.
Whole part.
Even this
Yeah.
thing really. I
Yeah,
always.
not the machine base.
It looks like I'm learning something new. Yeah.
This is Germany technology. About 6 months before, the knife is prohibited because the detergent may penetrate into the bearing surface. But now the latest versions, they overcome these problems. Yeah, this dishwasher problem.
So the next thing we're gonna.
Very big breakthrough.
The next thing we're gonna make is the wonderful pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup, not easy to make. They're hard to peel, and they take a long time. This thing you can make it in about 15 Yeah, about 15 minutes. All we got is onions and ginger. Okay, and they're pretty big pieces. All right, we don't have to really. smash it.
Is there a problem if you have to put frozen ginger pieces in?
No, anything frozen is fine. Yeah, well, just like ice, it already chopped up ice.
Yeah, and sharpens the blade.
The only thing I caution you is cheese, frozen cheese.
Oh, well, I never freeze.
Yeah, sometimes I put my cheese in frozen in
Yeah,
the
it
freezer
doesn't
because
come out the
it
same.
go moldy, right? So I take them out and then I put it in there. It will go like it's too hard on the system.
我现在设定15分钟。
Yeah. So she's gonna start off preset at 15 minutes. The entire process should only take 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you imagine you have guests coming in to visit you and they're waiting for your wonderful pumpkin soup, right?
然后我设定温度在 V，
Yeah.
我设定温度在 V， 在3分钟。
So Veroma, set it on Veroma.
然后我可以在还没上来之前，我可以用一下那个我们的这个是
Ginger. So we're gonna walk, it's like Chinese walk, right? Walk the ginger, make this, get that aroma.
That means you first stir fry.
Yeah, then stir fry. Yeah, you walk it, get the aroma out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at that, how fine.
Wow.
No mess, no
So I
teardrops.
noticed that it was being added piece by piece while it was running. Is
You don't
that
have to.
before- It's okay.
You
You
don't
can
have
put it
to.
all in and then turn it on.
I'm a quick one. I just put everything in
Throw it
it.
in.
Do you know what I do with garlic? Sometimes I just put my garlic with a shell on it.
Yeah.
I put in there, quickly just turn it, and then the garlic shell
Yeah.
will stick to the wall, and then I just pick it up. I'm lazy. But I can't take it out like
Well,
one
but it's
by.
really easy. If you just you put it on a board with a flat
Yeah.
knife and hit it, and it splits it enough, and you can just take it
Oh,
off.
okay.
It's really fast. It doesn't take
But
much
then I had to
time.
wash the knife. My chopping board is doesn't smell like garlic and.
Okay, put in
So you should pre-measure everything. So you figure out, like, for example, your guest coming at 7. So you do all the preparation ahead of time.
Yeah.
It took 15 minutes. And then when your guests show up, say, hey, let's have fun and cook this together, right? So you just do the same thing. You're right there. You're doing a demo show for your friends, and they'll say, "Wow, this is so easy." And then while you're chatting and cleaning up, putting things away, dinner is ready in 15 minutes. So And then I love about this is that you don't have a lot of pots and pans. You know how the traditional way the pots and pans you go scrub the bottom because it's sticking and they're splattering everywhere, right? So that's why I think
The only problem I see with it is
the noise. Yeah. Well, if you're doing something really sensitive, right, you do it ahead of time. If you're really, really sensitive, like I had a year, problem, and then you put a little.
I have extremely good hearing,
Yeah.
and we have 2 cats. But the kitchen and the living room are 2 different places, or if you're up top and outside or something.
Yeah, that's the only thing. But how often do you do that? I mean, it's the initial pitch that you get that, really squeaky noise. Okay, let's see. If you notice the lights are climbing up, right? And it's flashing, means it's cooking, right?
Oh, it's fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
It must have a super heater inside there.
So the next thing we're
One
gonna
more
do.
question for the pumpkin, because the pumpkin skin, supposed to you need to peel it off because
The
it's
skin
in the
usually-
Chinese cooking.
Yeah.
We cook with the skin. We eat with the skin.
Yeah, you can do that, but see, I don't. When you cook it with the green skin, it tastes very earthy, and then my husband doesn't like it. When I try doing that because it's much wholesome and everything, and then he will pick up the taste. How come it tastes so earthy, like like ground soil cake? Yeah, soil. Dirt. That's it. Thank you. In the blunt way, right? Thank you. It tastes like dirt. Yeah. Other than that, one way of doing these pumpkins section by section, that you just take this off and then you cut them towards it.
We just wash it. We just cut it off.
It depends, I guess, depends on the
Depends
person.
on what your personal preference is.
Yeah.
If you prefer to eat then you can just put it in.
Yeah.
And if you don't, then
Then you just leave it out.
Halfway, push it on.
But it's a great source of vitamin A. It's an excellent source of minerals.
well, those
These are
lines
Japanese
aren't
ones.
that thick, are they?
I think it's a Japanese one. Yeah. Right here, right? This is just Japanese. Japanese pumpkin. I think the Caucasian, like the one that you buy in the market, they're a different type of pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you use?
I never made pumpkin soup in my
Oh,
life.
okay. Does that mean you don't like pumpkin soup?
No, I just never chosen to
Oh, okay.
go ahead and do that. And he does most of the cooking. And right now our kitchen is a disaster area.
Well, this is gonna streamline everything for you.
It will be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna sink for 6 weeks. 5 weeks anyway, 6 weeks, No sink in the kitchen.
Right, eh? So you had to get him out, you had to do his job?
Renovations happening.
Oh, okay.
Customize,
Customize, yeah.
Wait for it to be made.
I just did my kitchen too, and I think that once you streamline the flow, it will make it a lot easier. It's a good time to go into this business if you're interested. Tax write, the write-off, business write-off. Okay, evenly distributed. That's why it's that. Yeah, I think it's great for children growing up. Especially go to university. Okay. And then just 1 clove of garlic. Just 1 clove. Right. And Parmesan cheese. It's all in one. Okay, you should combine them all in one. Okay. Normally, normally I like to sort of stir fry first chop it, and then turn on the heat, and then add the pine nuts, and also heat it up so that you get that flavor developed, right?
Okay.
And I normally like to add my cheese last, but I guess in this case she's not putting on a lot of heat, because what happened was the cheese, when you burn, you stick to the blades, right? So it's something that you kind of figure out when you make them. 里面加热度的， She's cold blending it, okay? Because I make jars of it, so I like to heat treat it, and so that I'll put into my jars.